What's going on, guys? Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys real quick how to design or create a geometric shape pattern type with Figma. So it's not really gonna be, we're not gonna go into that in depth geometric shape measurement and all those stuffs, but we're gonna design and create our own pattern from scratch. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when next I drop another content. So first, what you need to get is this plugin, pattern hero. You have to get this plugin installed on your Figma. So as you can see, I already have it installed. I will leave the link to this plugin in the description so that you can easily access it for the tutorial. So this is the only thing we'll be needing for the tutorial. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So alright, right now in my Figma, I already selected the color samples. I created the color samples to use for the geometric shape of a thing. So no measurement of the whole geometric, so we're just gonna do it so that you get the concept and the whole idea of how to create your own geometric shape pattern type. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create, so I created an artboard so you can do the same, not really necessary for this tutorial. So I'm gonna create a shape. Let me make it 200 by 200. So I'll copy again and duplicate it. So let me just give it a random color. I'm gonna divide by 2, divide again by 2. Now we have this shape right here, so I can decide to move it like this. Now we have one of the shapes, but I'm gonna do something right now. So let me double click. I'm gonna click this edge. Let me add a radius of 100. Perfect. Not really, but okay. I will just do it for only one. Make this 0. Okay, do the same thing right now. I think this should be it. So I'll make it 100 as well. So we're done with this. So copy, drag and drop right here. So okay, so I'm gonna reform this little bit. I think I'm gonna do it this way. So have this kind of shape, duplicate it again. Okay, so move this. Now let me do 100. So as you can see, you just have to think of something or that will be suited for the kind of shape you're trying to get, and you proceed with it like that. So it's gonna be real quick. I think after this we should be done with it. So let me get rid of the whole shape. Gonna get this at 100. Do the same. Do the same right here. So right now what I can do, so I'm gonna select my right. Okay, let me select the polygon tool so I can just do it like this. Let me rotate it just to create some kind of effect. Perfect. I want it to be at the edge. Great. Okay. Great. Select it again. I think I'm gonna move it down to this place. So let me select the ellipse tool and draw a shape right here. Do it as well. Great, not bad. So I'll duplicate, move it right here. So I'm holding the Alt Option key to drag and duplicate. So let me move this as well and duplicate it right here. So just to get a shape and a pattern type. So not much of a big deal. So let me do this right as well. So right now I'll get rid of all the background. So before I do that, let me just duplicate and move this hard on my hardboard. So let me get rid of all the background, and if you like you can change them to white or you can leave them as well. So let me just do this. So I think what I need to do now, I'm gonna create a component for each of them like this, creating a component like this. Great. So now I think I will just duplicate. Let me duplicate to create an instance of the component. So what I'm going to do now is I'll select everything. Let me open the plugin, the pattern hero plugin. Okay, so you can walk through these options to, pick the one that suits your taste. So I'm just gonna leave it this way. Repeat nodes, shuffle the nodes and group nodes. So you click on create pattern. Alright, great. So let me close it for now. I think I'm just gonna do that. So let me move all these instances somewhere. For now, I know it's not that great, it's not perfect. So let me rotate it and see. So you can group everything. You can go ahead and change colors. So you can just get rid of the rest. So like I said, you don't really have to do make use of everything, because the creating of the nodes might give you something that you don't really want to use. So I'm just going to group this. So as you can see right now we have our pattern. So it's not that perfect, it's not really great, but at least it's a start. So you just have to be creative in order to combine the shapes together that you can form and get a nice and good looking pattern. So guys, thanks for sticking around to this very moment, and I hope you learned something. So If not, whatever your suggestion is, please do make use of the comment section below. I'll work on that and improve more next time. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it among your friends. And I hope to see you next time. Until then, peace.